Hi friends, welcome all. In this lecture, we are going to discuss a problem from the section tangent planes and normal lines. The question is given by find the tangent plane and the normal line of the surface given by f of x comma y comma z is equal to x square plus y square plus z minus 9 equal to 0 at the point P naught is given by 1, 2, 4. That is, we have to find the equation of the tangent plane and the equation of the normal line of the equation x square plus y square plus z minus 9 equal to 0. That means of the surface given by the equation x square plus y square plus z minus 9 equal to 0 at the point P naught, and the point P naught is given by 1, 2, 4. Earlier, we have uploaded the lectures on the theory part of this section. For that lectures, follow the link added in the description box. If we are given a function of 3 variable, let it be some f of x comma y comma z equal to w, and we are given a point P naught some xyz, then we can find the level surface passing through the point P naught, and we can find the equation of the tangent plane and normal line at the point P naught for the corresponding level surface. Here, if we consider the function f of x y z as the function x square plus y square plus z minus 9, then if we putting the value P naught equal to given by 1 to 4, we get f of 1 to 4 is given by 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 4 square is 4 is plus 4 minus 9 equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, 5 plus 4 is equal to 8, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, if we consider the function f of xyz is equal to x square plus y square plus z minus 9, then x square plus y square plus z minus 9 equal to 0 is the 0 level surface of the function x square plus y square plus z minus 9. Instead of considering x square plus y square plus z minus 9 as our function, if we consider the function as x square plus y square plus z only, and if we putting the value 1 to 4 in the function x and y, x, y and z, we will get 1 plus 4 plus 4 which is equal to 9. Therefore, we will have f of 1, 2, 4 equal to 9. That means f of xyz equal to c. That means the particular level surface for the function f at the point P naught given by 1, 2, 4. So, we can treat x square plus y square plus z minus 9 equal to 0 as the 0 level surface of the function x square plus y square plus z minus 9, or we can treat the level surface f of x comma y comma z is equal to 9 of the function f of x comma y comma z is equal to x square plus y square plus z. Okay, now we can answer the question. We are given the equation given by x square plus y square plus z minus 9 equal to 0, and the point P naught is given by 1, 2, 4. The function f as f of x comma y comma z equal to x square plus y square plus z. And if we putting the value 1 to 4 for xyz, we will get 1 square plus 2 square plus 4 equal to 9. Therefore, we will get f of xyz is equal to c will implies x square plus y square plus z equal to 9 is the level surface of the function f of xy z equal to x square plus y square plus z. Then the equation for the tangent plane is given by fx at p naught into x minus x naught plus fy at p naught into y minus y naught plus fz at p naught into z minus z naught equal to 0, which will implies here the point p naught is given by 1 to 4 and the function f is given by x square plus y square plus z. If we evaluating fx, if we take in the derivative, partial derivative of f with respect to x, we will get 2x. 2x at p naught. Here p naught is 1, therefore this can be written as 2 into 1 into x minus x naught is 1 plus fy at p naught. Fy is 2y and 2y at p naught. P naught here y value is 2, therefore 2 into 2, which is given by 4. 4 into y minus y naught is given by 2 plus fz. Here z value is, if we take in the derivative of f with respect to z, we will get 1. Therefore 1 into z minus 4 equal to 0. And if we reduce in the equation, we will get 2 into 1, 2, 2 into x minus 1 plus 4 into y minus 2 plus z minus 4 equal to 0. If we expanding the expression, we will get 2x minus 2 plus 4y minus 8 plus z minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 4y plus z minus 2 minus 8 is given by minus 10 and minus 10 plus minus 4 is given by minus 14 equal to 0. And this will implies 2x plus 4y plus z equal to 14. Therefore, the equation of tangent plane is 2x plus 4y plus z equal to 14. Now we have to evaluate the equation of normal line at the point P naught. And the equation of the normal line is given by x is equal to x naught plus fx at p naught into t, y is equal to y naught plus fy at p naught into t, z is equal to z naught plus fz at p naught into t. And this will implies here x naught is 1, therefore x is equal to 1 plus fx at p naught is 2, therefore it is 2t, and this will imply y is equal to y naught is given by 2 plus and fy is given by 4, therefore 2 plus 40. This will imply z is equal to z naught is given by 4, 4 plus fz is given by 1, therefore 4 plus t. Hence, the parametric equation of the normal line is given by x is equal to 1 plus 2t, y is equal to 2 plus 4t and z is equal to 4 plus t, where t is the parameter. Hence, we are evaluated the equation of the tangent plane at the point P naught and the equation of the normal line at the point P naught. Now, we can analyze the geometry of this particular question. In this question, we considered the function f of xyz as x square plus y square plus z, and we are given the point which is given by 1 to 4. And the level surface at the 1 to 4 is given by x square plus y square plus z equal to 9, which is the level surface marked in green colored, and the point 1 to 4 is marked in blue colored. and we evaluated the equation of the tangent plane and the normal line at the point 1 to 4. We can visualize what is the tangent plane at the point A and what is the normal line at the point 1 to 4. We have formed that the equation of the tangent plane is given by 2x plus 4y plus z equal to 14, and if we drawing the tangent plane at the point A, we will get the figure like this, which is the required tangent plane. And if we plotting the normal line, the line is given by 1 plus 2t, y is equal to 2 plus 4t, and z is equal to 4 plus t. If you draw the normal line at the point 1 to 4, the line will be like this. The line is in black colored line, which is perpendicular to the tangent plane. So we can wind up the question, and we can meet in the next video with more problems. Okay, thank you.